Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to make a lace closure wig from scratch with a sewing machine. If you want to know, please keep on watching this video. I'm going to be showing all the steps you need to know, and if you're a beginner, I'm sure you're going to find this video really helpful. This is the hair I'm going to be using. I bought the hair on AliExpress from a seller called Rebecca Fashion Store. I want to say that this is not a sponsored video. I don't have any direct link to this hair, and the hair came in 14 inches, 16 and 18, and this is the closure. It's 4x4 and 12 inches closure. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my needle and thread to sew down the lace closure as usual before I install the rest here with my sewing machine.
I know that you're afraid, it feels like every day things are slipping away, you're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your...
After sewing in, I'm going to quickly use my scissors to cut off the excess wig cap underneath the lace closure.
mind. You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time.
Before you start installing the hair with your sewing machine, you're going to use your tape to measure the space you want in between the installation. You don't want to overlap everything. So placing this tape to take the measurement is going to help you know how much space you want in between the hair. So you're going to take your marker and start marking just like I'm doing right now. So this is going to guide you on how you're going to install the hair without overlapping everything. So if you are making the wig for the first time with your sewing machine, make sure you use this method. It's very helpful.
Slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Ooh. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time.
So guys, this is the final result and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.